in item 2, they have asking for the gratuity, Your Lordship, and in item 3, the gratuity which is ordered by the learned court, Your Lordship, is challenged by the department 1 Vikas.
WPI. By which court it was ordered?
Lordship, Lordship by न्यायालय अपीलीय प्राधिकारी अंतर्गत उपादान भुगतान अधिनियम श्रम आयुक्त कार्यालय Lordship.
अपीलेट अथॉरिटी।
Yes, sir.
कौन सेक्शन में होता है? एक्ट कौन सा है? पहले एक्ट तो बता दो मिस्टर रस्तोगी।
Yes, Lordship.
ऊपर देखिए, अब छोड़िए, कौन सा एक्ट होता है?
Lordship, labor laws.
हो गया मिस्टर, कर लिया। पेमेंट ऑफ ग्रेच्युटीज एक्ट। भाई आप मतलब इतना भी बेसिक ग्रेच्युटी की बात कर रहे हो, आपको ये नहीं पता कि कौन सा एक्ट लगेगा, कौन से प्रोविजन में अपील होता है? निकालिए पेमेंट ऑफ ग्रेच्युटी एक्ट, देखिए सेक्शन 7।
Yes.
7 का
Section 7(4)(c) and Rule 11(4).
फिर कुछ भी पढ़ना लिखना नहीं है। On what ground the you have challenged the order passed by the appellate authority?
Your Lordship, the matter, the departmental inquiry and the criminal matter against the petitioner.
Read section 4. When you can stop payment of gratuity?
Yes, sir.
4 का कोई सब सेक्शन होगा? निकालिए, किताब निकालिए मिस्टर, पेमेंट ऑफ ग्रेच्युटीज एक्ट। 4 का परहैप्स 3 होगा, 4(3) या 4(4) ऐसे कुछ होगा। आईपैड क्यों नहीं रखते आप लोग? दिखाई, उन्हीं के दो।
Your Lordship, got it. Section 4 talks about the payment of gratuity. Termination.
नहीं है।
So, on what condition the gratuity is given is provided under section
6 देखिए, 6। नहीं मिला, दिखाओ दिखाओ, इनको नहीं मिलेगा। Nation power to exempt। देखिए, आपको पढ़ना नहीं, 4 में 6 में दिया हुआ है। Notwithstanding anything contained in subsection 1, the gratuity of an employer whose services have been terminated for any act, willful omission, or negligence causing any damage or loss to or destruction of property belonging to the employer shall be forfeited to the extent of the damage or loss to so caused. The first condition is that services have been terminated.
Yes, sir.
After termination of service, if services of an employee
Yes, sir.
have been terminated by the employer, on what ground? On account of willful omission or negligence causing any damage or loss or destruction or property belonging to the employer. If in these counts, on these counts, the services have been terminated and there is finding with regard to omission, negligence, destroy, etc., which led to loss or damage of property belonging to employer, then the amount of gratuity can be forfeited up to extent of the damage or loss, not more than that. So first there should be order of termination. In the present case, is there any order of termination?
There is an order of termination, and subsequently, Your Lordship, the petitioner also get terminated.
And
Terminated
second,
and convicted in the IPC.
उसमें नेक्स्ट दिया हुआ है, आगे पढ़ते हैं. The gratuity payable to an employee may be wholly or partially forfeited if the services of such employee have been terminated for his righteous or disorderly conduct or any other act of violence on his part. It is not your case.
No, Your Lordship.
Second, if the services of such employee have been terminated for any act which constitute an offense involving moral turpitude. There are two grounds available to you. The services of the petitioner were terminated on account of any willful omission, negligence, causing loss to the property belonging to employer, or his services were terminated for any act constituting moral turpitude. Now tell me, what were the allegations against the petitioner, against the employee?
Lordship, the employee in the area during the period of 1985-86 to 1990, in the departmental inquiry, there was embezzlement of the funds of around 72,649.
72,000.
Yes, 72,649. Subsequently, Your Lordship, an FIR was registered and he was convicted by the judicial magistrate first class. And however, Your Lordship,